Oh, you know I couldn't stop with just one pack. Okay, I gotta do some gaps. I was looking near my door around the water heater. It's like, oh, I bet I can go around that. So I'm going to give it a shot. Throttle's holding together pretty well. And ooh, okay, oh, little problem, yeah, nope, I got it. Aha! Finally. That was really lame. Doesn't matter. Gonna keep going. Gots to hit some gaps. Ooh, I'm going under this tree thingy. I'm going under it. Over it. Under it. Oh, under it. Stop. Oh, crap. Damn it. Oh, no. Get down. Okay, I can fix this. Not a problem. Just flip it over. Yeah, good to go. 110%, baby. I'm ready to rock. Let's get off the ground here. Boy, I hope that doesn't suck into the fan. Okay. Back in the air. Seems to be flying all right. Might have scuffed something, but we'll be fine. Oh, yeah. Back around myself. A little cool air on the back of the neck. Feels good. Okay, up around the tree. Around the drone-eating pole, which I am not flying into this time. All right, looking good. A little swoop around. I'd love to fly through that railing. It's just too narrow. Okay, this is my favorite part to go through when I was using my analog quad. Oh, it's swooping through nice. Handling like a dream. Thank God I turned the power down. Oh, I really want to go through that little thing right there, but nope. Okay, maybe I'll try that again later. I can fix this. Let's just flip it over. There we go. Ease it off. Just ease it off the stairs. Just slowly creep up. There we go. See? Good as new. Totally fine. I'm not really controlling very well. Okay. Yeah, maybe I'll bring it back home. I gotta check those blades. Okay. Perfect landing. Kind of. Alright. We'll try this again later.